5 Ways to Make Money Online. Freelancing. Freelancing is one of the most popular ways to make money online. You can offer your skills and services to clients all over the world. Freelancing platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr offer a wide range of job opportunities for freelancers. Online surveys. There are many companies that pay people for participating in online surveys. You can sign up for survey websites like SurveyJunkie, Swagbucks, and Vindale Research to earn money by taking surveys. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services of other companies and earning a commission on every sale made through your affiliate link. You can join affiliate programs of companies like Amazon, ClickBank, and ShareSale to start earning. Online tutoring. If you are knowledgeable in a particular subject, you can offer online tutoring services to students all over the world. You can sign up on tutoring platforms like Chegg, TutorMe, and Schooly to find students and start earning. Selling digital products. You can create and sell digital products like ebooks, courses, and printables online.